Ooh, wait, if I were to shoot someone right now. Hey, don't shoot me! Don't shoot me! I will call the police. Police! Whoa, what in the wild west do we have here? Oh, that's actually where it just came from. You're not going to believe this, but I've been traveling time to defeat the Time Lord and save my friend. You're on drugs, aren't you? What the? Oh, God. Hold on a sec. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.